Hi, I'm Will. This attachment has greatly increased my independence and allowed me to visit places that I would never have been able to do without it. I've had this attachment for 4 years now and continue to be so impressed with its capabilities and its unbelievable value for money. Join me on a fantastic visit to Harbour Nature Reserve, made possible by my electric wheelchair attachment. My wheelchair does not require any modification. This power add-on is quick and easy to connect and disconnect. It will fit most rigid wheelchairs with round frame tubes and some folding wheelchairs. The front casters are lifted off the ground, making it possible to smoothly travel across even rough terrain. These attachments are available for a fraction of the price of similar devices on the market. Virtually no maintenance is required. All I've had to do is change one tyre in 4 years. It is great to be able to cruise at walking pace with friends or speed along at 20 miles per hour. It has a powerful 500 watt motor to help get up inclines. The 12.8 ampere battery option gives a 25-mile range on a single charge. I was so impressed with this attachment that I decided to make them readily available for others. If you are interested in increasing your independence and visiting less accessible places, please visit my website and check out my other videos for lots more information.